This job I'm doing is about this Jetta driving on the highway, shut down with the customer. It's a 2006. It's a 2-liter turbo. So it's put it on the scanner and it showed that they have a problem with the turbo boost, low power. That can cause by a lot of stuff, low oil. So we have to diagnose that, and what we have a code for camshaft sensor. So I'm looking into the camshaft sensor, see if we have a signal going or something because the car would not start. Okay, so right now we're gonna be taking out the camshaft sensor. I'm gonna show you the location of the sensor, and hopefully that fixes the problem. Or else we have to go into furthermore checking the timing belt or whatever, jump on this car. We don't know the situation yet, but this video does basically show where the camshaft sensor is in a 2006 Jetta, right? 2-liter turbo. Alright, here you can see the sensor is here. Alright, so first you gotta disconnect the connector. Alright, and disconnect the connector. You have this pipe it has is in the way. Okay, and take out the number 10 screw from here so you can lift this up a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead, disconnect the connector. You just have to press in on the tip of it and you push it down. Alright, the connector is out because you cannot take the screw out without you take the connector out, because the connector is blocking the screw physically. Okay, so here is your cam sensor. I don't know if you can see it. Cam sensor is tip of the engine to the head. This is the head of the engine. It's at the end there. You can have your timing belt in there. Some car you have it right in the center of the head. Okay, so this one is right at the tip there. So we're gonna go ahead to remove that. So you just lift this up. So you can put your ratchet in there. And that's the torque. I'm gonna tell you the number of the torque after. And be careful with the screw, you don't want it to drop. Okay, so we get the screw out. Now we're going to take off the sensor. The sensor is, sometimes you have to turn them and make the release. You don't want this, sometimes you don't want it to break in there or else you can have a problem with it. This one come out easy. Some sensor, cam sensor, you gotta be careful when you're removing it. And it's always good to match it with the new one. Make sure it's the same thing. And then always put some oil at the tip on there's an O-ring here. Always put some oil there. It's going to be easy for installation. Okay, press it in and going right in. So now we're going to put back our screw. Alright, you have two ways of putting it with our hand or with the tool itself. We're going to try the tool itself. Okay, let's fall off. Okay, catch it in here. and you tight it. Make sure you tight it properly. You got the connector. Alright. So that's it. So that's how you change a camshaft sensor in a 2006 Volkswagen Jetta 2-liter turbo. Alright. So your sensor is located at the tip of the head, not in the center.